Hey, what's going on everyone? Samsung could introduce two new Galaxy A series phones this year. The phones reportedly in the works include the Samsung Galaxy A82 5G and Samsung Galaxy A22 5G. So in this video we'll talk about all the details of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A82. For your better understanding, we would recommend you to watch this video till the end. All of the details mentioned in the video are purely based on some leaks and rumors. So we would recommend you to take this with a pinch of salt. My name is Sovik, welcome to Phone Politics, let's begin. Before we jump right into the video, if you still not subscribed to Phone Politics, make sure you hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to get all the notifications about our upcoming uploads. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy A82 5G has been spotted on Geekbench with the model number of SMA826S. The phone is listed to run on Android 11 and packs 6GB of RAM. The processor is codenamed to be MSM-NILE, which has been associated with the Snapdragon 855 Plus SoC launched in late 2018. The octa-core SoC runs on 1.87 GHz base frequency. The Samsung Galaxy A82 5G achieves a single-core score of 755 and multi-core score of 2630 points on Geekbench. Samsung Galaxy A82 5G could be in the works as the handset has been making news for quite some time now. It will come with a technical successor to the Galaxy A80 with a motorized rotating camera that can be used for both rear and selfie shots. Now, according to a new report from ET News, Samsung Galaxy A82 5G launch could be inching closer and it may bring back the innovative rotating camera design. The report says it will come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus SoC, which collaborates with the Geekbench listing. This means that Samsung Galaxy A82 5G will not have the newer Snapdragon 870 or Snapdragon 865, probably to keep the pricing in check. Samsung Galaxy A82 5G price is set to be between $620 and $710, which is roughly around 45,000 Indian rupees to 51,700 Indian rupees. This puts it on the similar lines as the Samsung Galaxy A80 that launched at 47,990 rupees. However, there is a chance the phone's price in India could be slightly cheaper but can't be said for certain. The Samsung Galaxy A82 had recently received Bluetooth SIG certification to reveal Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity and its marketing name. The Geekbench listing showed it will pack 6GB of RAM and boot Android 11 OS out of the box. The source code of Geekbench showed that it will come with Adreno 640 GPU and the chipset will be clocked at 2.96 GHz. Now let's talk about the expected specifications of Samsung Galaxy A82. Samsung Galaxy A82 specifications include a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity display. It will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus SoC coupled with 6GB of RAM and 120GB of internal storage. The phone will boot Android 11 with One UI custom skin on the top and packs a 4500 mAh battery with 25W fast charging support. The Samsung Galaxy A82 will have a triple rear camera setup at the back with a 64MP primary sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide lens and a 5MP sensor. Thanks to a motorized module, the rear camera also works as selfie snapper. The expected release date of Samsung Galaxy A82 is June 2021. So this is everything we got to know about Samsung Galaxy A82 so far. Please let me know your thoughts about Samsung Galaxy A82 in the comment section below. If you really find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. The links are in the description. So see you guys in the next video. Adios.